When I first started in the make money online business, I was so keen not to use my own voice or face in my videos that I spent ages looking for a decent speech synthesis program that would sound real enough. Unfortunately, back then, the technology was a far cry from what we have today, and even the best voices were obviously not real humans. So I had no choice but to use my own voice. At the time, we had a caravan outside our house in our garden, and I would go out there, shut the doors and pull the blinds down, so nobody could see or hear me while I recorded videos. And I know I'm not alone. I bet there's a very strong chance you would rather not use your own voice or get on camera when making videos. And I bet that stopped you in your tracks. Well, I have some very good news for you. This is not my voice. This has been created using the tools and strategies that we teach inside our new training program, AI Prodigy. You're about to discover how you can crush it on YouTube without ever using your own voice or showing your face. Our simple system uses only artificial intelligence and can be totally hands-off, giving you time freedom as well as a totally passive income. For the first time ever, we're revealing the brand new system that we've perfected that enables anyone, even a complete stone-cold newbie, to create a consistent and reliable income on YouTube using AI from start to finish. I'll now hand over to Trevor, who will tell you more about this amazing opportunity.
Hey, it's Trevor here, and I think you'll agree that text-to-speech is nothing short of amazing. In fact, it was me who had the caravan, and I used to go outside and sit in the caravan, literally pull the blinds down and shut the doors and hide away from everybody because I didn't want anyone to hear me recording videos. So I absolutely get why that's an issue for so many people. Now, what we've got here in this brand new course is just amazing. This is taking AI and using it to its full advantage. We're going to teach you how you can use just AI to create a YouTube channel that gets you enough views and subscribers to get you monetized, and also make money in affiliate commissions off those videos as well. Now, you don't have to worry about what it is that you're going to record because we show you how to get that content, and you don't have to worry about recording. You certainly don't have to worry about having your face on camera, using your own voice or any of that stuff. You also don't have to worry about having any skills whatsoever when it comes to making videos, editing videos, or putting subtitles on videos, or just making videos look good, because all of that is taught to you inside AI Prodigy. We show you what tools to use, how to use them, and how to get this thing up and running. This is an amazing opportunity for anyone who's always fancied themselves as a YouTube influencer, someone that makes their money from YouTube using the YouTube Partner Program, and an affiliate marketer as well. This is your opportunity to get stuck into YouTube and make a truly passive income that will come in day after day, week after week, and month after month, and year after year. Once you get started with this, you'll see that you gain momentum, and it's like a snowball, and it just starts growing and growing and growing. And it's a brilliant way to make money online. Now, the training we've got inside here should be a lot more than we're charging. But during the launch period, you're going to get it at a very, very special low time price. Most of the training inside here also is taught by my original mentor and good friend, Mr. Fergal Downs. Now, I took Fergal's training back in the day, and the rest, as they say, is history. Since then, I've done over $2 million in just one of my Warrior Plus accounts. I've got 2 Warrior Plus accounts, JVZoo account. I make commissions on Kartra, Amazon, ClickBank, so you can imagine the kind of success levels that I'm enjoying. And it's brilliant to now be able to come to you, my friends and subscribers and followers, and give you the opportunity to actually get started online yourselves. You see, I realise that it's a major obstacle for most people when it comes to doing something like I'm doing now, which is putting your face on camera and your voice actually being recorded as well. So we've got rid of all of those hurdles and using just AI to create the whole thing and show you the system that we've got to enable you to get monetized on YouTube, so you can get that massive monetization status and earn money while you sleep. Now, you probably know that there are lots and lots of YouTubers who make an insane amount of money, and all it takes is for a few of your videos to go viral and your channel will explode. So this is a fantastic opportunity for you to cash in with no face on camera, without your own voice, without any previous experience. It doesn't matter how inexperienced you are. Stone Cold newbies are welcome. Even if you've had experience, this is going to be for you. So don't miss out on this. Take advantage now. Go ahead, click on the Add to Cart button, and we'll see you on the inside. All the best.